How are you, NMCS Zimbabwe? My name is Tinashe Gilbert Makonese, currently the National NMCS President. Well, I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to talk to you and to address the nation in this way. It's quite pleasing how technology moves these days. Well, I have a number of issues to highlight to the NMCS family. Firstly, I would like to talk about probably where we're coming from as NMCS and where we are now as NMCS. I'm sure everyone is aware that we are celebrating our 25 years as NMCS. So, in line with that, what it is that we have done as NMCS, and so far we have managed to transform from the early 1980s to the 1990s, and now we're transforming. We're in the generation of technology now, and so many things have changed as we have become a new family in NMCS. But one thing that we've managed to keep as NMCS family that I want to highlight to everyone is we've managed to unite as students as one family in Christ, which is our motto that goes uniting students through Christ. We've managed to keep the love within the NMCS family, and that's what holds us together as NMCS now. So I'd like to pose a challenge to each and every one of us that wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you are a part of NMCS, and what is it that you have contributed towards NMCS to make NMCS grow and to embrace these 25 years that we've managed to live as NMCS. And I'd also like to pose this challenge to our leaders. It begins with us leaders so that others can follow what we're doing. So let us try to be exemplary as much as possible. Thank you.